Hello, today we'll learn together how to make this pyramid in Blender as you see. Let's go. First, we have a cube here. We will go to the up face and press S0 to make the shape of pyramids. We'll apply scale and we will go to edit mode, press A and M and make sure to make mesh by distance like this. Now we will go to modifier and search about subdivision modifier and make sure to make it simple. We will increase the level viewport to 9 or 8 as you want. Make it 8. And the second step is that we need to go to modifier again, search about displace modifier. Make sure to make apply scale and we'll place new to texture here. We will go to open and we need to get a brick texture. So you can go to Google here, go to Polyhaven and search about brick. Any one of this, like this one here. You just need to download the displacement one, this one. After downloading it, we will open it here and that you have this shape. We will go back to modifier and we will decrease the strength a little bit to look like this one. And we will make the coordinate UV. Now we will go to our UV editing. We will press, I'll open it here. This is our bread. We will press A and press U to each face alone and press unwrap angle based. We will make rotate to GX again. Make rotate again to get your shape. That's it. And do the same for each. Do the same for each face. We will go to here, press AU, unwrap angle based and make rotation. And do the same here. We'll select the face, press A, press U, unwrap angle based and make rotate for it. Do the same for the last face here. We'll press AU angle based again and rotate the last time. That done. Now we have our pyramids with the brick texture as you see. Thanks for watching us and follow us for more.